Hi there, I hope this finds you well. Making a video about the writing and all the stuff that comes with it, just to eliminate any confusion as we progress with the new writing prompt starting. We did one for the live lesson today. We'll do another one as a whole group on Thursday, but then next week we will start with the regular routine of it. So, your child has in their bin, when you go to school, to pick up a green folder. Inside the green folder, there are 7 packets that look like this. These are blank packets. They should use 1 packet for each prompt. Make sure they put their name and date at the top. They can draw a picture of their response and then they can start writing. Um, Inside the folder, there are also a checklist. Okay, and the checklist look like this. This can be done in one of 2 ways. When your kid's done completely writing, you could read each criteria to them and have them check it off, or you can check it off if they can do it. Just put your initials if you do it. Put their initials if they do it. Um, that way, I'll know who checked it. So if they actually do the checking, have them initial it or write their first name, whatever easier. But if you end up doing the checking and have them fix it, let me know. There's a second one on the back side in your child's folder. There's 2 of these. Um, if you need more, let me know. If you just want to use it as a guide and not mark it up, you can do that. I don't want to waste the paper. But this is the second checklist as well. And they can check not yet or yes. And again, let me know. Is it that you fixed the kids' work or that they fixed their own work noticing it? I'm fine either way. The option is to just have the kids finish the writing and don't use the edit checklist and send it in to me. And I will use the edit checklist and edit the work myself. I'm fine with any of those options. They all work for me. Once a kid is done a writing prompt and we've shared it, please send it to school so I can see it if you've edited, or I can edit if they have not been edited, but I need to collect each kid's work. So please be returning those on a regular basis. Now, if you miss a lesson, and again, it'll be during the live lessons. Let me back up a little bit here. On Tuesdays, we'll introduce a new prompt. We'll talk about it. I'll spend, the lesson helping kids get going, come up with ideas, and start writing, and they can share their work. The goal, the focus is that each kid is writing a really good paragraph. For first graders, I'm looking for them to finish the prompt, write 4 sentences to support their idea in the prompt, and then a wrap-up sentence. For second graders, I'm looking for them to do 6 to 8 sentences with what we call twin sentences. So if they say, I would drive my car to Ben and Jerry's, the second twin sentence to that might be, when I get to Ben and Jerry's, I will buy ice cream. It's just a second sentence to support, elaborate a little bit on their first sentence. So I'm looking again, 6 to 8 sentences in the paragraph and then a wrap up as well. If you missed the live lesson, they're always recorded, so you can go through with your child and have them listen to the lesson itself. The other thing I have created, and it's on the blog today. Let me get to the blog. When you go to today's post, you'll see, a little dance from today's Tuesday song. But if you save this link or you go back to this post, I'm also going to put this in the Learning Hub and on Google Classroom once that's launched. You'll see today's date, the prompt that was asked, and then what type of, it's a journal response. I'll have different types of prompts so I can keep track of that. But the first one today and the one on Thursday, those are going to kind of be practice ones. After that, the rest are going to be ones that I look to hold kids accountable for completion so I can keep track of their writing and just see how they're doing with sentence structure, writing a really good paragraph. Again, that's the goal going through the rest of the year, is just to make sure that when kids finish the school year, they can write a good first or second grade paragraph. I hope that answers any questions you might have about the writing. Again, I'm sorry for the amount of videos. I just feel like it's easier for people to understand when I can show things. It saves from having to have meetings and find more time in your very busy schedules of doing all your jobs from home, or most of your jobs from home, and filling roles at home, like being a parent, teaching, working, and doing everything else that comes with it. So I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. You can always email me at tyoung@huusd or call my cell.